Happy day students, welcome to San Academy Pallikaranai Class 6 Mathematics Chapter 8 Algebraic Expression Part 2. I have given few expressions here like 5 plus 7, 20 minus 10, 30 into 10, 45 divided by 5. In all these expression you have a basic operation and a number. So these type of expression are called numerical expression. Now we are going to learn how to write a statement as an expression. Let us consider a statement sum of a literal x and a number 5. Sum means we all know addition of two numbers. So the expression is x plus 5. In this expression you can see a unknown numerical value x and it is known as variable. And even we have a fixed numerical value 5 and it is known as constant. So we have learned two new terms, variable and a constant. And I hope you understood the difference between variable and constant. Variable means unknown numerical value, whereas constant means fixed numerical value. Now this type of expression is called as algebraic expression. In an expression, if you have a unknown numerical value called variable and a constant, then it is called as an algebraic expression. A combination of constant and variables connected by any of the basic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, then those expressions are called algebraic expression. Now let us see few more examples for the same. So 3 more than a number, so x plus 3, 6 times a number, so 6 into n, 6n. These are the few more examples for algebraic expression. So algebraic expression means it's nothing but a combination of variable and constant and it can be connected by any of the basic operations. Next comes the new term called term. Yes, a term is the name given to a number, a variable or a number and a variable combined by a multiplication or division. So if you can represent a number, a variable, a number and a variable combined by multiplication or division. All these three things can be called as term. As you see here, the first one is just 4. It's a one single term. The second one I have given as 4 plus x. So 4 and x, there are two terms. Okay, and we have given a basic operation plus. The third one 4x. So 4x is a number and a variable. 5xy. So again we have combined a number and a variable. So it is one single term. It's not two terms. Okay. If a number and a variable is combined by multiplication or division means we should consider it as a one single term. Whereas a number and a variable, if it is connected by addition or subtraction means it should be considered as a separate term. As you see here, 4 plus x means we should consider it as two terms, whereas 4x means you should consider it as a one single term. So addition and subtraction separates the term, whereas multiplication and division does not separate the term. So 18 plus x minus y. So here we have a number and two variables and they are connected by addition and subtraction. So you have to count it as a separate terms. So 18 is one term, x is second term and y is third term. So totally three terms. The last example 9 by x. So a number is combined by a division. So we have to consider it as a one single term. I hope it is clear. If a number and a variable is connected by addition and subtraction means it should be counted as a separate terms. Whereas if a number is combined with multiplication and division means it should not be counted as a separate term. It's a one single term. Next comes the term factors. When two or more numbers and literals are multiplied, then each one of them is called a factor of the product. So we all know this. A constant factor is called a numerical factor, while a literal and unknown value is called as a literal factor. In example 1, you can see that 5x square y. So 5 is a constant value, so it is called as a constant factor. X square y is an unknown value, so we call it as a literal factors. Next, we are going to learn about a very important term called coefficient. A coefficient is the number multiplied by the variable in an algebraic expression. Again, I'm repeating, a coefficient is a number. So, coefficient means just a number multiplied by the variable in an algebraic expression. So, let us consider the first algebraic expression 6m plus 5. So, here the coefficient is 6. Okay. So, in the same way, I have given two more examples, 8r plus 7m plus 4. So, the coefficients are 8 and 7 and not 4. Okay. Coefficient means it should be multiplied by a variable in the algebraic expression. Okay. And we have to remember that a term of the expression having no literal factor is called a constant term. This is one important point we have to remember. I have given few more examples to find the coefficient. 6xy. So here we have an algebraic expression with two literal values, right? X and y. So the coefficient of x is 6y, whereas the coefficient of y is 6x. And the same way I have given minus 5x square y. So let us first try find what is the coefficient of x square. What is the remaining thing which is given in the expression? Minus 5y. So the coefficient of y is minus 5x square. Next is like terms and unlike terms. It's very easy. The terms having the same literal factors are called like terms. Otherwise, they are called unlike terms. So, I have given examples for like terms like 3y square minus 6y square, 15y square. These are like terms. If the literal factors are different means, then they are called as unlike terms. So, thank you students. I hope you all understood what is meant by algebraic expression. In our next video, we will see various type of algebraic expression. Thank you so much.